Hi guys, today we will talk about the TikTok application and we will show you how to save a new draft video on this app. So let's go to the TikTok and let's shoot a new video as an example. So tap on the plus icon at the bottom top panel of the screen. Later, you don't need to choose the live or story option, but go to the camera one and pick on the red button. Wait a minute. After, let's pick on the check mark and to the next option. Later, as you can see, we have one special feature, the drafts. Let's click on it one time and wait a minute. As you can see, now we have a new icon of the drafts section. So let's pick on it one time. And as you can see here, we have our newly added video. So thanks for this watching and don't forget to subscribe to our super cool TikTok and YouTube channels. Goodbye!